Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Fine everyone? Very good. So you have enjoyed your prayer session and yoga session? Attended your prayer properly? So now are you able to sing the song or sing the prayer? Very good. So when you are going to practice it regularly, definitely you are going to learn the prayer also. Okay? So now let's begin with our today's class. Shall we begin it? Okay. So yesterday was your holiday. So which day was yesterday? Holiday tha. So what was the day yesterday? Sunday. Yes. So yesterday was your Sunday holiday. So what is the day today? If yesterday was Sunday, so what is today? Today is Monday, isn't it? Today is Monday and the date is 10th August 2020. So 10th is the day, August, month and year 2020. Understood everyone? As I am repeating the writing of the date patterns also with you. So you must have understood how we write dates. First we write the date, the number of the day. Then we write the month and after that year. Okay. So class till now beta we have been doing A sound and E sound words. अब हमारा E sound words भी finish हो गया है. So as you all are aware there are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. So we have completed A sound and now we have also completed E sound. So revise these sounds regularly and from today I am going to start with the new sound, that is I. So A, E, I. Now we are going to begin with third sound, that is I sound. So today I am going to teach you I sound words. Clear? So let's say some few pictures or some objects related to I, like ink pot, then we have ice cream, we have igloo, then we have anything else. Come on, now you come out with the names. Ink pot is there, igloo is there, ice cream is there, we have iguana. So lot of things we have with I. What is the sound of this I? Can anyone tell me? You all are aware of the phonic sound now? Ink in the ink pot, E, 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 है ना? Ink in the ink pot, E, iguana, igloo. Whenever you are saying anything that begins with I, so what sound is coming? E. Which sound is coming? Sound E is coming. Isn't it so? So what do you have to do today? Let us revise first the sound I, that is E. So E, igloo, E, iguana, E, ink pot, E, ink, E. Yes, anything else? So when we are saying ice cream, ice cream नहीं बोलते, ice cream बोलते हैं. थोड़ा सा साउंड को हम कम स्ट्रेच करते हैं. Understood? So today let us learn about ip sound. Which sound we are going to begin with? Ip sound. Now how I got this sound? Sound of I is E and sound of B is B. When E and B are mixed together, which sound is coming? E, B, ip. Say with me. E, B, ip. Ip sound words. Clear everyone? So which sound words we are going to do? We are going to learn today about ip sound words. E, B, ip. So the first thing which you have to remember, sound of I. E. Clear? So we are going to begin with E sound words. Ip. E, ip. Clear? So let's begin. Now I have drawn some pictures on board here. Let us begin with the first picture. So you all must be aware of this. If you are having small babies at home, तो ये जरूर देखा होगा. You must have seen it at home. Can anyone tell me what is this? It's a bib. Ib. Ib, bib. So what a bib is? When mama is feeding the small baby, जब mama बच्चों को खाना खिलाती है, small, very small baby I am talking about, like 1 year baby old, not more than that. तो when we make them eat the food, जब मम्मा उनको खाना खिलाते हैं like porridge or something like that, उनको कुछ भी खिलाते हैं, we always tie a cloth here. और like can you see I have a napkin here, जिसको हम ऐसे यहाँ पे I'm just putting it, ये ऐसे लग जाता है napkin, but this napkin is having a lace. एक tie करने के लिए lace होती है जो हम यहाँ पीछे neck पे tie कर देते हैं, and what happens, ये ऐसे hang हो जाता है यहाँ पे. So whenever child is eating something, अगर वो गिर भी जाता है तो ड्रेस गंदी नहीं होती, सिर्फ ये बिब गंदा होता है. So it's a napkin. I'm just giving you an example what a bib is. Okay. So what is this? It's a bib. Now can you see here? ये देखिए, ये इसका नेक होता है, यहाँ पे बेबी का नेक आता है, and this we tie at the back side. Clear? So what is this? Bib. So how we are going to write first? B. Because the sound is coming b, bib. Clear? So first we have written b, and after that I am going to write ib sound. So what it becomes? B, bib. So just read with me once again. B, bib. Clear everyone? Okay. Now moving to the next picture. You have seen pens. आपने पेन देखी है? Okay, then you must be aware about, जब हम पेन से लिखते हैं तो उसके आगे एंड पे क्या होता है? From where that inks come out. जो इंक होती है वो कहाँ से निकलती है? From where that comes out? From nib. We all have a nib in the pen. जब हम बोलते हैं ना nib टूट गई, sometimes we use this for pencil also. Isn't it? जो आगे का ये pointed part होता है, be that in pencil or if I show you a pen, can you see this? ये देखिए, इसके ऊपर का जो ये छोटा सा पार्ट होता है, we call it nib, जो पेपर से टच होता है and ink come out from it. Clear? So what we call it? Nib. N, nib. So just mix the sounds when we are saying the word nib. So which all sounds are coming? No. N is blended with ib sound, is mixed with e sound, ib sound, and the which word is coming out? Nib. N, ib, nib. Clear? So that is what we are going to write. N, ib. So it becomes nib. N, ib, nib. Again, n, ib, nib. And what is the nib? The tip of the pen, from where the ink comes out. Okay? Okay. Now moving to this picture. You must have not seen it, but I'll tell you how we can see. What are these? These are ribs. What are these? Ribs. It is a part of our body. एक internal part होता है हमारी body में. So बेटा, whenever you go for your shower, जब आप shower लेने जाते हो, तो you remove your clothes before taking the bath. After removing your clothes, you will find that on the sides, जो आपका ये side portion होता है, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ bones जैसे ऐसे circular part दिखेंगे, which will go in the circle form. ठीक है? Those bones are called ribs. Hard structure होता है, and what is the function of ribs? हमारी body के अंदर ना बहुत delicate organs होती हैं. ये rib उनको protect करता है. एक तरह से wall बनी हुई है ये. हार्ड बोन्स होती हैं जो हमारी जो सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन्स हैं लाइक हार्ट, लिवर और इंटेस्टाइन्स, स्टमक, जो ये जो हमारे सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन्स हैं इनको चारों तरफ से कवर कर देते हैं लाइक दिस. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेल यू, जैसे ये बुक होती है, इसको जैसे हमने ये बुक को कवर किया है, जस्ट थिंक इट इसी तरह से रिब्स होती हैं, वो ऐसे आ जाती हैं लाइक दिस. क्लियर? सो दे प्रोटेक्ट द soft internal organs of our body and we call them ribs. So ये body के अंदर होता है and how you can see them? जब भी कोई एक्सरे करवाते हैं, एक्सरे हमने आपको सिखाया था ना. So whenever we go for some X-ray because of some medical reasons, तो उसमें आपको पता लगेगा. You can ask your parents to show you that. They might be having some X-ray in which you can see what are ribs. So what we call them? Ribs. Rib and S because they are many in number. So how we are going to write? Ibs, ribs. this is S. Ribs. R, ibs, ribs. Clear everyone? R, ibs, ribs. Now, this picture is very easy for you to identify. So, can you tell me what picture is this? It's a sailboat. Which boat is this? A sailboat. है ना? एक boat है and we have sail in this boat. It's a sailboat. So can anyone tell me what we call this sailboat? What we call this sail? इस sail को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them jib. Jib. Basically जो ये कपड़ा होता है इसको what we call them jib. So this I am talking about. जो ये triangular कपड़ा होता है we call it jib. Jib. So jib. Now class, I want to tell you one thing here. Some of you are sharing your small videos reciting rhymes and all these things. They are very good. But a small pronunciation, what you can say, a confusion, pronunciation confusion है या mistake है, I don't know. But yes, when I came to this alphabet J, I want to clear that out. J, alphabet J. J की साउंड होती है ज. बट जब हम अल्फाबेट Z लिखते हैं, Z, इसकी साउंड होती है Z. सो जिब नहीं बोलते, जिब बोलते हैं. जिब्रा नहीं बोलते, जिब्रा बोलते हैं. क्लियर? सो सम ऑफ यू आर शेयरिंग दीज पोएम्स एंड ऑल योर वर्क विद मी in the audio form, where you are mixing the sound of J and Z. So don't mix. The sound of J is J and the sound of Z is Z. Clear everyone? Okay. Moving ahead. Now as I told you, it's a bed used by small kids. तो छोटे बच्चों को एक छोटा सा बेड होता है अलग से जिसमें हम उन्हें झुलाते हैं, है ना? When they are crying, हम उसको उनमें लिटा के and we swing them. क्या कहते हैं उसको? What we call that? Can anyone tell me? We call it crib. What we call it? Crib. Crib. Now a very good example in these days which I can give you is Janmashtami is coming, है ना? तो आपने देखा है मंदिर में जो लड्डू गोपाल होते हैं, कान्हा जी होते हैं, उनको हम झूला झूला के आते हैं. सो वो झूला जो होता है, व्हाट वी कॉल दैट झूला, जो उनका पालना होता है. यस, द करेक्ट वर्ड इज पालना. सो व्हाट इज पालना? जिसमें हम छोटे बच्चे को लिटाते हैं व्हेन दे आर स्लीपिंग और व्हेन दे वांट टू प्ले, हम उनको उसमें लिटा देते हैं एंड दे कीप प्लेइंग. और उसमें क्या होता है, 4 वॉल, मतलब जो बेड होता है उसके चारों तरफ वुडन वॉल होती है ताकि बेबी उसमें से गिरे ना, है ना? सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट क्रिब. सो लेट्स मिक्स द साउंड k, r, mix together, kr, ib, crib. So how we are going to write? Kr, ib, crib. So one more ib sound word, that is kr, ib, crib. And the Hindi word which we can use for this is पालना. देखा है ना आपने छोटे बच्चों का पालना? So that is crib. Kr, ib, crib. Clear? Okay. Now moving to one more thing. Sometimes it happens कि we say, छोटे से झूठ बोल देते हैं कभी कभी. Like कि आपने टॉफ़ी खाई और आपने बोला कि नहीं मम्मा मैंने नहीं खाई, है ना? Then sometimes it happens कि मम्मा पूछती है मिल्क फिनिश हो गया? हाँ मम्मा, बट एक्चुअली में वो नहीं होता है ना, थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ होता है उसमें मिल्क. सो व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड? झूठ बोलना. बट वो ऐसा झूठ जो ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है या उससे ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं हुआ, बस मम्मा ने डांट दिया, झूठ क्यों बोला, है ना? सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? फिब. फ, इब, फिब. सो वन मोर न्यू वर्ड वी हैव लर्न्ड इज फ, इब, फिब. So how we are going to write? First we are going to write the sound of F. F. When we are saying F, so what is the alphabet that comes here? F. F, ib, fib. So that is F, ib, fib. Clear everyone? आप देखते हो वो फ्लोर या कोई भी न्यू हाउस का फ्लोर होता है, कहीं पे वाटर गिर जाता है, वो थोड़ा स्लिपरी नहीं हो जाता है, फिसलनदार जो हो जाता है, स्लिपरी स्लिपरी सा. सो व्हाट वी कॉल फॉर दैट फ्लोर, स्लिपरी फ्लोर बोलते हैं हम उसको. सो देयर इज अ वर्ड फॉर इट. व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? ग्लिप. ग्लिप यानी एक्स्ट्रा स्मूथ, जिसपे हम स्लिप कर सकते हैं, हम फिसल जाते हैं. सो अ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल इज द स्लाइड्स. आपने देखा है वो स्लाइड जिसपे आप ऊपर से बैठते हो एंड यू कम डाउन लाइक दिस. सो वो कैसी हैं? फिसलनदार होती हैं, वो स्मूथ होती हैं, तभी आप उसमें बैठ के नीचे राइड कर पाते हो. तो उस स्मूथ सरफेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? ग्लिप. ग्लिप. क्लियर? सो अब ये साउंड ग्ल कहाँ से आई? ग्ल and it mixed with ib sound and we got glib. So let's write that word also. Glib. Clear? Glib. So these are some ib sound words which we have learned today, and let's give a revision to them. Which sound we have learned? Ib sound. E, b, ib. And the words are b, ib, bib. Say once with me everyone. B, ib, bib. Next is n, ib, nib. R, ibs, ribs. J, ib, jib. Gl, ib, glib. Cr, ib, crib. And f, ib, fib. Clear all how you have to read these words today? So the sound is ib sound. अब आपको सारे sounds को read करना आ गया है. So just join the sounds and make the words. Clear? So first thing you have to do is you have to do your reading. So these are the words which we have learned today. First you are going to read these words. After reading them, write these words. Now where you are going to do your work? So today you are going to do work in your book page number 31. So this is your classwork. This is your classwork. Clear? So in book, which book you are going to do? In your phonic book. So this is the book. In this phonic book, when you are going to open page number 31, you will find ib sound word. Do that as your classwork. So write down date and CW and do the work. So what is your homework? That I will tell you. Just continue watching this video and I tell you how you have to do ib sound words in your notebook as well. Okay? So class, now I'll tell you how you have to write your ib sound word in notebook. Clear? So the first thing is write today's date, that is 10th August 2020. Now this is your homework, so write HW like this and the heading is ib sound words. So ib sound words. So I'll write only one time and you know you have to write it for 3 times. Clear? So the first word is b, ib, bib. Then we have n, ib, nib. R, ibs, ribs. Then we have j, ib, jib. As I told you, what is the meaning of jib? The cloth that we use in a sailboat. So that is called jib. Clear all? Then after that we are going to write f, ib, fib. Then crib. Cr, ib, crib. And the last word will be glib. Gl, ib, glib. Understood everyone? So you have to write all these words for 3 times. So let's give a quick revision and read all these words. B, ib, bib. So what you can do, you can make a picture of bib like this. As I told you, a cloth that we tie around the neck of small babies. Now nib. So like this you can draw a nib. Clear? Ribs. So you all know what are ribs? A hard structure of bone that protects our internal body organs. Jib, j, ib, jib. F, ib, fib. Cr, ib, crib. Gl, ib, glib. So what is glib? Glib means extra smooth or slippery. Crib means palna, where we keep our small babies when they are sleeping. Fib, what is fib? जब हम छोटा कोई झूठ बोलते हैं. Clear? So you have to write these words and read them as well. So class, you have understood how you have to finish your homework in classroom. Finish your work and share it with me, and after that get ready for the next class. Bye all.